Okay, I think this might be the most perfect Pinterest summer haul that I've ever filmed. Princess Polly just sent me $500 worth of clothes, so today we're doing a full honest try-on haul, rating every single piece, styling complete outfits, and seeing if these viral Batgirl looks are actually worth the hype and the money. I'm sharing what fits, what doesn't, what I'd actually spend my own money on, plus I have a discount code for you if you end up loving anything that I tried on. Even better, Princess Polly ships from within the US, offers free standard shipping 3 to 6 days on US orders over $50 USD. You can check out with Afterpay or ShopPay for the girls who have the passion but not the funds at the moment.
Girls, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very exciting video. This is not like the regular content I post, but it deserves a video of its own. So first of all, thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to show you girls the outfits I make with these because the pieces you can get and make so many outfits with are literally insane. I have a discount code right up here. I'll keep it here the whole video. I also have a ton of info in the description if you girls are curious on everything about this video and Princess Polly, but their pieces are amazing and I honestly love splurging. So let's unbox a $500 haul from Princess Polly and style some cute summer outfits that are Pinterest inspired, very trendy fashion, good for Stampede, good for festivals, good for summer. Girls, without further ado, let's style some pieces together from Princess Polly. I'm so excited. Let's empty the bag. That's crazy that all fits in this bag. I want to start off strong with their capris. All of the product descriptions will be on the video, but also linked down below if you want to get the exact same things. Because girls, I took literally hours picking these pieces out and I was being strategic, making sure I can make pieces with them and make cute outfits with them. So first of all, I got these little waffle edge capris, and capris are in the summer. I literally cannot wait to style these. So let's go on Pinterest, get inspired, and pick a little outfit for the capris. Girls, the outfit is complete. I've also added the Princess Polly white top. Once again, product details will be up here because I cannot remember these things for the life of me. But this top is the cutest thing ever. Also, girls, I did get a tattoo here, so I'm so excited to wear things low rise. I think it's gonna look so good, especially for festivals and everything. But back to business. Let's talk about how adorable this outfit is. So I also love adding accessories onto an outfit like this. I went like this to try and envision a slick back, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna keep my hair still cute and curled. Girls, this is the outfit. It is so cute. I have matching kitten heels on. This literally just screams Pinterest and adorable aesthetic vibes. I'm obsessed with it. Girls, with the shoes, this outfit is literally perfect. I'm obsessed. But honestly, these capris, I honestly didn't think I'd like them. They are so chic. I love them so much. What I love about Princess Polly is that you can mix pieces, literally make a full outfit out of two random, completely unrelated pieces. It is fun and cute and stylish. Obsessed. Girls, let's move on to the next outfit. Girls, I do want to show you the variety of things that these capris can do. Let's start off with a trench coat. I'm imagining a light brown trench coat, not leather. It's fall. We're going out with the girls. We're getting a cute coffee. I'm obviously brainstorming for fall because it's literally summer. Can't a girl get excited? Imagine this with a lighter jacket and capris. I'm obsessed. What can capris not do? But the capris are honestly one of my favorite staple pieces. Next, from Princess Polly, let's try on their long sleeve off the shoulder with these capris. I already know this is going to be the cutest outfit ever. Girls, so we have the light shirt on. It is so see-through. Okay, we still have the tag on currently, but it is cute. It's just quite see-through. This outfit is so cute, and matching with a lighter shoe is adorable as well. But honestly, if I'm giving my honest opinion, this one's a little too see-through for me, but it is a very adorable shirt and would be super cute layered over something. Girls, let's move on to their low-rise white jeans. These are so adorable. Let me show you. Girls, pairing this with a light brown shoe as well is so adorable. Absolutely obsessed with low-rise this year. These are so cute, and we are still proving that this shirt is adorable. We just need a little solution for how see-through it is, so let's change shirts. Girls, with a full white outfit, I love doing gold accents, so we have gold sunglasses, and then for my shoe of choice, we have a beige and gold little kitten heel, which is adorable. For accessories, any gold and brown will do. But honestly, simple pieces like this, you can elevate so much and almost look a little bit more chic than doing too much. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this outfit. These jeans have been my staple ever since this package arrived, even before filming this. I've literally been wearing these jeans. I've been filming about it on my TikTok. I actually love these jeans. Also, considering that I'm not like a fully flat girl, they are very fitting and also not tight on the legs, which is such a relief being a girl that has definitely bigger legs, which is obviously an amazing thing. I'm super strong and I love it. but it can be a struggle for pants. So absolutely love these. These are so cute, so contouring, so adorable. Guys, envision we're all getting a matcha. I want a cute little Pinterest outfit, and I want a clock ribbon. This is literally the perfect outfit. If we want to go a bit more simple with the sunglasses, I would just rock these. But this top can go with anything because I love it how it can be dressed up, but it's also seen as activewear. This is literally so cute, girls. I'm gonna be wearing this to the gym. Very nice if you've been working on your back muscles because it literally shows your entire back. Love it. This is one of my favorite going out pieces that they have. Girls, this is the cutest top ever. The back is fully open. It is so cute. So I've styled this with a basic pair of jorts. This is a perfect summer outfit when you want to be fancy and going out and cute, but also not too much, because it's like not too much, but it's also really gorgeous in the back. So absolutely obsessed with this top. It's also a really good festival top, which I love. It's gonna be awesome for going out and going to festivals and everything. But the back for me is, it's doing it for me. It looks so good. Guys, this top, actually obsessed with. You can pair it with a simple pair of jorts. It is so flattering, and like, girls, we're flat girls, and we're not gonna lie, they make the girls look good. This is a very flattering top. I got this hat, and honestly, why is this making the cutest outfit? This at a country concert, going out to do errands. This top, I'm actually obsessed with, girls. Not even just saying that. This is probably my favorite outfit that we've put on so far. We're back to the low-rise jeans. This top is so flattering. I feel like it doesn't matter what pant you match with this, it's gonna be adorable. Okay, let's take this off because we're not recording this. This is so cute, girls. Actually obsessed with this outfit. And what I almost want to do is white sunglasses with this. A super beachy look. It's giving yacht club vibes. Actually love this. Let me just preface by saying this is coming with me to Stampede. I just got a random pair of low-rise denim shorts. This top is so cute. And why does it work with everything? I feel like I could even throw on a random accessory and boom, we have a country concert outfit. So easy. Princess Polly is so good for this because they have lots of staple pieces that you can literally make. I've made this into 4 different outfits already. And if we were taking it a little step higher with these sunglasses, another outfit. But girls, they also send me this gorgeous droplet necklace. It's the cutest thing ever. I've been seeing it everywhere on Pinterest and I'm like, I need to get that. So we got it, and just like I guessed, it is adorable and perfect for outfits for summer, for going out. But this is literally so cute. Honestly, I think this top is probably one of my favorite tops that we've filmed so far in this video. Also, this is literally gonna be a Stampede outfit. This is amazing. This top is so versatile. You don't want to get a piece where you can literally wear it to one thing. Okay, even if we did this red top with these brown, oh my god, this would be the cutest outfit for Stampede too. This is literally perfect timing for festival season. Who else's TikTok is the 2000s yoga mom vibe with that sound where it's like, but it's a yoga sound, and I literally hear this sound when I look at these pants. These are low-rise wide leg yoga pants essentially. I always size up in low-rise, especially being a woman. Our hips go further out, so always size up if you're getting low-rise. You're not going to be the same size as right here. These are the cutest thing ever. Let's try these on and style some cute little yoga outfits, but also going out outfits with these. I'm showing you how. First of all, I love how you can see my tattoo with these pants. And last time I was filming, I didn't even have that tattoo. That's how new it is. But with the yoga pants, I love how it's like a loose wrap around, which is so cute. You don't even tie it up, you just have it flowing. They're so cute. And with this top, girls, imagine we're post beach. I'm gonna go get sushi with my girls. And these so happen to be in my bag. Absolutely obsessed. Okay, I'm grabbing a towel to set the vibe. We just got off the beach. Let's go get sushi. Cute yoga mom outfit. Absolutely love it. Don't know why the towel got involved in that one. But these pants are so versatile. I think I'm just obsessed with this top. The first time I tried it on, I've tried everything else on. But these bottoms are perfect for post-workout. I wouldn't say they're more activewear. They definitely feel more linen. There's not a lot of stretch to them, so I like sizing up when it's like a linen or a cotton material. But honestly, I'm obsessed with this entire outfit. I think it's so chic. This last outfit, this outfit is giving little chill work at home vibes. It's summer, it's warm out, but we still want to be dressed cute. But this is so cute. I love this outfit because once again, it's so versatile. You can take it out, dress it up with your own accessories, or we can literally wear this at home and it's a cute little work from home outfit for errands in summer. I'm just sparking with ideas, but this top is one of my favorites. So versatile. But these pants, you girls, literally so cute. They're, once again, super flattering, but also comfortable, because a lot of the time flattering stuff is just tight. It's flattering, but it's also loose. It's comfortable on my body. It fits really good. So honestly, love Princess Polly for being so versatile. Guys, this top is from Princess Polly. This is probably one of my favorite summer pieces. I've never really had anything because I feel like if you see this, you're not gonna go out and buy it because it's like, oh, that's such a bold piece, but this is your sign to get it because you can literally put it with any pant. Look how cute and summery this outfit is. And you can once again change the accessory, and you can wear this at home, going to do errands, library, beach. So cute. I'm obsessed with browns this summer, and I love this little beading right here. Honestly, I kind of want to try this with the capris and just see how it looks. Princess Polly did it again, because why is this another amazing outfit? So we have capris and we have little sunglasses. This is so cute. Once again, just gives productive, rich mom. Absolutely love with this. I'm obsessed with Princess Polly. It's actually so cute. Also, I feel like this necklace would be so cute with this outfit, like adorable. Girls, last but not least, we have this beautiful necklace pendant, and it is gold and textured. I also love how low it goes. I probably wouldn't wear another necklace with this if I were to take this out, but it's just so chic and cute. I feel like adding even more gold onto a look like this just adds it to make it look so cute and chic. But I feel like this is the necklace for the summer. You can wear it with a bikini, you can wear it with a cute top, and you just always have a cute necklace on. I also love the length of it because it's almost like eye-catching. I really love that. But honestly, jewelry is the way to my heart. It is so beautiful, and it literally elevates every single look. But girls, that is all of the pieces that we've tried on together. You know, I feel like it's so fun to like kind of just like chill out from the normal content and have fun and film fun things like this. I'm just super grateful that Princess Polly sponsored this video. I'm so happy. So I have my discount code up here, all the information and links down below if you girls want to pick up anything I tried on today. And comment down below what was your favorite outfit and if you're going to Stampede, because I would love to see what you guys are wearing to Stampede. I actually need inspo. But this video was so fun to film, and I hope you guys had just as much fun watching it. But that is what $500 gets you at Princess Polly. I'm amazed of how many pieces that is comparing to another bigger brand. You could get maybe 3 pieces. So I am really amazed with how high quality their stuff is and how cute their pieces are. But girls, we are gonna go lounge around the house. I actually have a lot of stuff to get done, and I'm staying in this outfit because it's cute and productive, and I just feel really cute in it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow my Instagram and TikTok, where we can have a little more short form connection where you guys can see behind the scenes of all this going on. And I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys next week, hopefully. I'm doing so much in my life right now. We are upgrading, we are studying, working full-time, content deadlines. I'm a busy gal at the moment, but anyways, I hope you guys are here for the next video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you next video.